Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me back, and this time we're gonna play Roblox. And I haven't made a video in like a kind of long time actually. But what game should we play? Adopt Me, Climb Time. Well, let's play Emergency Respawn because I haven't made a video about this. But first, let's look at the new update about it. Okay. Frozen River is here. 1 week only. Testing 30-player server for 1 only. Liberty. Yeah, there's probably not a new car. Alright. I'm sorry, I'm seeing talkies. There probably is not a new car. But let's be a police. I'm putting 911. Join team. Let's go. Alright. Damn. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Let's change it to this one. The gear. We gotta get all of this. I believe this is the only stuff I had. Let's go to the guns area. Yeah, the assault rifle is my favorite. Alright. Let's go over here. Tell me what car y'all like the most. My personal favorite is not the van. The van's too slow. It was the Ford and the Dodge. Those are my two favorite. But this video is gonna be short because I got class soon. Let's let this cop. Let's go to the gas station. I need some gas. Damn. See, if you guys can tell, I barely got gas. I'm almost empty. We got a star criminal in jail now. Oh yeah, I forgot this car doesn't drift. I'm always thinking this car drifts. Turn on our blinker. And the gas station is right here. Damn, I hear gunshots actually. Alright, we're here. Damn. Let's go see the new Frozen River. That's what I want to see. Alright, this guy looks. Man, damn, Tim, what's they doing over here? Hi, sir. You're gonna pull a gun on me. Damn, I'm cornered. One there, one there, and one there. Sure. I'm gonna call backup. Man, who does this guy think he is? Alright. Oh, hell no! I knew this was gonna come. Oh, hell no, 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 no. Nah. Calling backup. We're gonna... We finna go kill this kid. Hell no. No one does that to me. Hell no, hell no, hell no. Oh, hell no, 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 no. You don't do that to me. Me? What? How am I wanted, bro? That guy killed me. Now I'm wanted? Hell no. Let's go, unimpound my car. Because I got it impounded last time. Man, I don't care about that douche, not kid right there. Actually, no, we're not gonna go, pound my car. We're gonna go, see the frozen lake, actually. That's what I wanted to see. The lake should be, yeah, right here. I wanna know when they're gonna take out this, the snow update. Let's see. Damn, it's the same old usual. But you can't, swim. My car got stuck, so I need to try to find a place to do this. Well, that's gonna be all for the video. That's gonna be all for the video. Hold up. That's gonna be all for the video. I'll see y'all later in the next video. Peace.